Today we are going to repair a magnetron of a microwave oven. This is an inverter type oven and convection facility is also available, and the model number is NN-C784MF, and it has a built-in cooking oven as well, and two ovens work together to give good food heated. Firstly, we should remove the outer cover and reach to the magnetron and remove it. Secondly, we should follow the safety precautions because in magnetrons there are beryllium oxide insulators around the antenna, and that may cause mm, breathing issues if the dusted beryllium oxide emit into air. Therefore, we need to um, isolate that from wiring tapes. But there is some says that it is only available for the industrial ovens, but uh, however, for the safety I do it. And next is to remove the back cover of the um, power socket. Now you can see the internals, and there are two inductors as well as magnetron socket has been connected to these two inductors. Inside there is a beryllium oxide insulator. We should be careful anyway. After you cut through the inductor terminals, uh, we should drill through these four holes so that the riveted socket is removed. The socket has been arced to ground due to high voltage, as you can see here. Um, Therefore, that is the reason the magnetron doesn't get enough voltage to emit the microwaves. Um, we can test that from a multimeter also. As you can see, the two terminals doesn't show any value, but single terminal connections to each other is proper. But one terminal is directly connected to the ground, around 800 ohms resistance show to the ground. Therefore, the arcing, due to the arcing, um, the voltage drops and magnetron doesn't function as expected. You can buy new magnetron um, pin sockets cheap in AliExpress. It is important to make a copper bond between the inductor and the magnetron socket. However, that facility is not available in all the countries, and is bonding with copper is difficult. But simple workaround I'm suggesting is to wind the um, socket with, as you see here, some copper wire first before soldering with the lead, because when it operates, the temperature is too high here, and due to that the lead can get melted. But this happens if you operate the microwave for around 2-3 hours. But for the home use, I don't think that long it works for you. Therefore, it is enough to make a copper bond, make a lead bond with winded copper. Then we can operate safely. I apply some flux to make the bond more strong, removing any dusts. I preheat the terminal so that the soldering bonding is should would be proper, and apply the soldering, and this fixes the proper bonding. I have used small nutter bolts to fix the socket to the uh, casing. I just do some testing to figure out any leakages, but I didn't find any. After that, I put the back cover in and tighten it properly. Now it is ready to install. Finally, I install the Magnetron to the microwave. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.